Hi, Stephanie here. I just wanted to do a quick screencast because I got some questions about how I provide my immediate feedback to my students. And it's actually very easy. You just need an add-on and to use the Google Apps, Google Forms, and Google Sheets. So hopefully in less than 5 minutes, I can show you how to set that up. So the first thing you're going to need is to set up and write your Google form. Mine's organized as a quiz because it's a diagnostic quiz for my grade 6s and 7s. The one thing that you're going to want to make sure that you put in there is name and have this section for email so students can input their emails. My students have logins, but they often forget them. So I have them put in an email address. That way it can go to their cell phones or whatever device that they're using at that moment so that they can get their results right away. Once you have your form set up, you're going to go into the responses tab. I don't have any yet. And you're going to click this icon because it's going to show you your sheets. Okay? This is where all the results go. What you're going to do is you're going to need to add FormMule, which is an add-on. I have it right here, but if you don't have it, you're going to click on add-ons and get add-on, and then you can search for it up here. FormMule, right? Enter. And it has a donkey. I'll probably find it before. It has a donkey, and so you'll want to add that. Okay, once you have that add-on, you're going to launch it, and then it will show up in your add-ons. So I'm going to open FormMule. Setting up for emailing is very easy. It should automatically populate with the name of the sheet where your answers go to. So if it doesn't, then you can search for it through this drop-down menu. And that's what I want. I also want a trigger. I turned mine off so that I can show you the normal state of triggers are off. So you want to turn it on. And I'm going to choose to send it on form submission. So every time a kid submits, that's when they get their email. So next I'm going to set up my template. I just use the same template. This is a great question. For my younger students, sometimes their parents want their results as well. So I can send two unique emails, one to the student and one to their parents if I want to. I don't have to because it's just a diagnostic. So I'm going to save these settings right here. And now I'm going to edit my email template. Because there's a lot of questions on this, I don't want to, you can add all the questions and the answers, but I don't want to do that. So in the to section, I have chosen, these are all the headers on your sheet, and I have chosen Couriel because that's the email address that it's going to go to. I can CC it to myself, but I don't have to because I have the Google spreadsheet. The reply to I put as my school email address in case students have questions. The subject is the results of the diagnostic quiz. And then you can change the body of the email to say whatever you want. So here it says bonjour nom so that it's personalized because I have their name. Here are the results of your quiz. And I am telling them that it's just diagnostic. Thanks for helping me. And then sincere mon. And this is where you can put different parts of your data in here. Now, I don't want the students to go through all the questions, so I'm just going to put the timestamp when they took it and their score, and that's it. And then preview, but it's not going to give you anything because nobody has entered anything. You get a daily quota of 1,500 emails, so use them wisely. And that's it. Then I can close it, and we're ready to go. As always, if you're going to install some new technology, you should always test it. I test it by doing the form and then sending it to myself. You can always erase the form results by clicking here and deleting all the responses if you want to after testing it. But that's it. It's pretty simple and straightforward to set it up so that your students can get some automatic feedback. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll try and answer them, and I hope you found this helpful. Thanks very much.